Neptune, a planet of mystery, wonder, and extremes. Out there, over 4 billion kilometers from the Sun, this distant ice giant orbits in near-perpetual twilight. It's a realm of powerful storms, icy winds, and an atmosphere so alien that it defies anything we know on Earth. With its brilliant blue hue and swirling bands of methane clouds, Neptune has captivated astronomers and dreamers alike. It's a world of contrasts, serene from afar, but raging with the fastest winds in the solar system up close. For decades, we've stared at this far-off planet, wondering what secrets it holds. But what if you didn't just wonder? What if you actually fell into Neptune? What would the journey be like? What would you see, feel, and experience as you descended into its atmospheric layers, down to its mysterious core? The answer isn't just a tale of survival. It's a deep dive into the very nature of the universe. Neptune challenges what we think we know about planets, matter, and the forces that govern them. So, join us as we embark on a hypothetical journey into this icy giant, exploring the stunning beauty and crushing realities of one of the most extreme planets in our solar system. Prepare yourself for a voyage through Neptune's layers, each more intense than the last. What lies beneath its captivating surface may be more extraordinary than you could ever imagine. Before we take the plunge, let's get familiar with what Neptune is made of. Understanding its composition is key to imagining what a fall into this alien world would entail. Unlike Earth or Mars, Neptune doesn't have a solid surface you can land on. It's classified as an ice giant, but that term can be a little misleading. The planet's upper layers are composed mostly of hydrogen and helium, similar to the gas giants Jupiter and Saturn. But what sets Neptune apart is the abundance of methane in its atmosphere. This methane absorbs red light from the sun, reflecting back its iconic blue color, one of the most visually stunning hues in our solar system. Beneath the atmospheric layers, Neptune gets its ice giant title from the presence of water, ammonia, and methane in a frozen or slushy state. But these are not ordinary ice cubes. These compounds exist under temperatures and pressures so extreme that they behave in ways we barely understand. And then there's the core. Deep at Neptune's center lies a small but incredibly dense mass of rock and metal, about twice the size of Earth. This core is the engine that drives Neptune's internal heat, storms, and turbulent atmosphere. Yet, the exact composition of the core remains a mystery, a puzzle waiting for future space missions to solve. Now that we know what Neptune is made of, let's imagine what it would be like to fall into this icy giant, layer by layer. Picture yourself hovering above Neptune, gazing down at its mesmerizing blue expanse. You're suited up in the most advanced technology humanity has ever created, a suit designed to resist freezing cold, searing heat, and crushing pressure. As you step off the edge into Neptune's upper atmosphere, the first thing you'd notice is the cold. At this altitude, temperatures hover near minus 220 degrees Celsius, colder than anywhere on Earth. The methane clouds around you glitter faintly, illuminated by the distant sun, which appears as a tiny, dim star in the sky. The winds here are fierce, though not at their most violent. Supersonic gusts push you sideways as you fall, their speed reaching hundreds of kilometers per hour. It's an eerie, otherworldly scene, beautiful, yet foreboding. The air around you is thin, composed mostly of hydrogen and helium, but there's no oxygen to breathe. Even with your advanced suit, you'd feel the tug of the planet's immense gravity pulling you deeper. As you descend further, the pressure starts to build, and the temperature begins to rise. Methane clouds give way to thick layers of water and ammonia vapor. Lightning flashes in the distance, brief but intense illuminations of the chaotic storms raging in Neptune's atmosphere. These aren't ordinary storms. They're supercharged by the planet's internal heat and the immense energy generated by its fast winds. Deeper into Neptune, the environment becomes unlike anything you've ever experienced. At this point, the pressure has increased to thousands of times the atmospheric pressure on Earth. The hydrogen, helium, and methane gases around you begin to compress into a denser, hotter state. Here, the air transitions into a strange, slushy, ocean-like mixture of supercritical fluids. These fluids are neither gas nor liquid. They exist in a unique phase of matter that defies the categories we're familiar with. In this alien ocean, temperatures can soar to hundreds or even thousands of degrees Celsius. And then, something remarkable happens. The immense pressure forces carbon atoms in the methane to crystallize into diamonds. That's right, Neptune might be home to literal diamond rain. Imagine falling through a storm of glittering diamonds, cascading down into the depths of the planet. But this stunning phenomenon is more dangerous than beautiful. The crushing pressures and scalding temperatures make this a region where no human or spacecraft could survive for long. If you somehow survive the slushy ocean and diamond rain, your journey would end at Neptune's core. This rocky, metallic heart is where the planet's incredible gravity, heat, and pressure converge. The core is thought to be about twice the size of Earth, but its density makes it far more massive. The temperatures here are estimated to be around 5,000 degrees Celsius, rivaling the surface of the Sun. The pressure? Millions of times greater than Earth's atmospheric pressure at sea level. No material known to science could withstand the conditions at this depth. And yet, this core is the engine that drives Neptune's storms and its internal heat, which radiates more energy than the planet receives from the distant sun. Studying Neptune's core could unlock secrets about the formation of the solar system and even help us understand the conditions on distant exoplanets orbiting other stars. But for now, the core remains an enigma hidden beneath layers of unimaginable extremes. So, what if you fell into Neptune? The short answer: you wouldn't survive. The crushing pressures, blistering temperatures, and the lack of a solid surface would make the journey impossible for humans. Yet, this hypothetical plunge into Neptune's depths reveals just how extraordinary and alien this ice giant truly is. Neptune challenges everything we think we know about planets and the universe. Its storms, its diamond rain, its slushy oceans, and its mysterious core are a testament to the diversity of worlds that exist in our solar system and beyond. Exploring Neptune isn't just about understanding one planet. It's about unlocking the secrets of planetary science and the origins of the cosmos itself. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, think of Neptune, not as a distant blue dot, but as a world full of wonder and mystery, waiting for humanity to one day uncover its secrets. What do you think we'd discover if we could explore Neptune more deeply? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more thrilling journeys into the wonders of the universe. The cosmos is vast, and we've only just begun to explore.